Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing lower on Thursday as market participants assess the possibility of the U.S. government shutting down unless Congress passes a spending bill by the end of the session. The S&P 500 pressured by shares in real estate, household and personal products, and energy sectors. And on the economic docket, housing starts declining to 1.19 million in December. Initial jobless claims reducing to 220,000 in the week ended January 13th, while continuing claims rose to 1.95 million in the week ended January 6th against 1.88 million the week before. Decliners ahead of advancers, 63% of S&P 500 constituents trading lower yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, American Express reporting that fourth quarter adjusted EPS rose 73.6% year over year to $1.58 on revenue of $8.84 billion. International business machines, IBM releasing fourth quarter operating EPS rising 3.4% year over year to $5.18 on revenue of $22.54 billion. Marriott International says it has sold the Sheraton Buenos Aires Hotel and Convention Center and the Park Tower in Argentina's Buenos Aires for approximately $100 million. Now turning overseas, the Asia markets on the upside today. European markets gaining ground and U.S. futures calling for a positive start. In terms of expectations today, Citizens Financial, CFG, fourth quarter EPS seen at 67 cents. Schlumberger, fourth quarter EPS seen at 44 cents. While on the economic docket, 10 o'clock in the morning, we have the January preliminary University of Michigan consumer sentiment, and that's expected at a read of 97. Now moving on to the markets, taking a look first at the S&P 500 that sees a bullish bias above 2791. The Nasdaq also sees a bullish bias, this time above 6795. And onto the Dow Jones that sees further advance and is in focus as the relative strength index calls for a rebound. Long positions above 25,840 are favored with 26,150 and 26,250 in extension.